So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah!
Oh, hey! It's me, Blippi!
Hi, and I'm Meekah.
Yeah, and look at where we're at!
Yep, we're at Triple Play Family Fun Park.
In Hayden, Idaho!
Yeah, there's a lot of fun indoor games here.
Yeah, and I actually heard that they have bowling!
Yes, I love bowling!
Me too! Let's go! Whoa! Hey, what's your name?
My name's Eva.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Blippi.
Hi, I'm Meekah.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too. What do you do here?
Well, I work at the front bowling counter.
Oh, cool. Well, we were actually wanting to go bowling. Is that possible?
Yeah, of course. Let me get you guys set up on a lane. And then you're also gonna need some shoes.
Oh,
I think these will fit you guys.
Thank
Ooh,
you.
perfect.
Oh, yeah, bowling shoes.
Yeah, look at how smooth they are on the bottom.
Yeah, they're really smooth so you can slide around when you're bowling.
Oh, yeah, and then you don't bring any dirt from your shoes onto the floor.
Yeah, everyone has to wear bowling shoes.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You guys have fun.
Thank you.
Whoa, shall we pick a ball?
Yeah, let's do it.
Whoa, look how colorful they are.
Yeah, oh, look, yellow. One of my favorite colors.
Whoa, cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, and look at the number.
Oh, this is the number 9.
Ooh, yeah. And look at this one. Ooh, red.
Yeah.
Whoa, and it says 11 on it.
Huh.
Huh, I wonder if that's the weight.
Yeah, I think you might be right. Here, let's see.
Okay, let's trade.
Okay. 9, this is 11. Oh, yeah, this one feels heavier than that one.
Yeah, and the 9 does feel a lot lighter.
Yeah,
So it must be the weight.
that's right.
Okay, here you go.
Okay.
Here's your 9 back.
Oop, thank you.
Okay, let's see, what else? Ooh,
Whoa.
blue, one of my 2 favorite colors.
Yeah.
Ooh, and it has a 10 on it.
Oh, so it must be 10 pounds.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep looking around
All right,
though.
let's see. Oh, look at this red one with the number 7 on it.
Whoa, cool.
Yeah.
Does that feel pretty good?
Yeah, this feels good. I think this is the one I'm gonna use to go bowling.
Okay. Whoa! Yeah, orange, my other favorite color.
Yeah.
Ooh, and it has a 13 on it.
Whoa, 13 pounds.
It's really heavy. You want to feel?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah, this would be too heavy for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna use that one.
You're
then...
so strong.
Thanks, Meekah. Yeah, I plan for it to hit the pins, and the pins will go because it's so heavy.
Oh, I can't wait to see.
Shall we go play?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Wow.
Cool. This is gonna be so much fun.
Yeah. Ooh, I like how they're all lit up.
Yeah, it's so colorful.
Yeah.
Oh, who should go first?
Oh, you go.
Okay. All right. All right, check this out. Come on.
All right, good luck, Blippi.
Whoa! Did you see that? Here, come here. Yeah, I got some of the pins. Yeah, those white things way down there, those are the pins, and the goal is to try and knock them down. Whoa, cool.
Okay.
Did you see that?
I saw that. You knocked a lot over.
Ah, thanks, Meekah.
Good job.
All right, your turn.
All right, here I go. Lane number 4. Whoa! I got 9 pins down. There's 10 pins, and you want to knock all of them down. So now I have 1 left to knock down. It's so fun.
Whoa! Good job, Meekah.
Thanks, Blippi.
You got way more than I did. Whoa! All right, my turn next.
All right, you
Come
got
on.
this.
Thanks. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, I didn't get all of them. Hey, and did you check this out? Yeah, down here, these are the gutters. Yeah, the gutters and the lane. You want to make sure it goes in the center and not in the gutters, or else you get 0 if it was in the gutters. Cool. All right, Meekah, your turn.
Blippi, did you see how our balls come right back?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
This is called the ball return.
Ooh, sweet.
I have
All right,
mine.
good luck.
Thank you. Nope, no more pins.
My turn next. Here, I want to show you something first. Do you see this? Yeah, it's the number 3. And then her lane, yeah, is the number 4 over there. Cool.
Awesome.
Yeah, we're using different lanes. All right, shall I go?
Yep, good luck, Blippi.
Thanks, Meekah. All right, I'm gonna use the ball to hit the pins, and I'm gonna try and make sure the ball doesn't go in the gutter. All right, here we go. Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Did you see that? Yeah, I got a spare. I hit all the pins down on my second throw. If I got it on my first throw, that would be called a strike. Yeah. Hey, Meekah. Yeah, you know how you said that this is the ball return?
Yep.
Have you ever thought, how does the ball get all the way from back there to here?
You're right. There's my ball, and it comes back so fast.
Huh. I wonder how the ball comes here.
You should go check it out. I'll throw my ball down again, and you can see how it comes back.
That sounds like fun.
All right, see ya.
Whoa, this place is awesome. Yeah, this is definitely behind the chutes of the bowling alley. Hey, I got special permission to climb up there and check it out. Hey, come on. Whoa. Whoa, cool. Whoa. Awesome. Look, do you see the pins down there? Yeah, there's definitely 10 pins right there. Ooh, interesting. All the pins are attached by strings or ropes or whatnot. Oh, and it's so colorful.
Okay, I'm gonna throw my bowling ball down the lane, and then Blippi can see how it comes back. All right, here we go.
Whoa, did you see that? Yeah! The ball that Meekah threw just came right there. Whoa, the pins are getting reset. I have to take some pictures for Meekah. Whoa! And did you see how the ball went through that gate? Yeah, looks like a door. That was really cool. All right, I have to show these pictures to Meekah. She's gonna think they're so cool.
Hey, Blippi.
Meekah, it was so cool back there.
Really? What did you learn?
Yeah, well first there's the 10 pins.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then when you threw the ball, it hit some pins and then they all fell down.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and actually the pins are attached to this machine with rope and string.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, and then it pulls them up, straightens them down, and sets them back down gently.
Whoa.
Yeah, and then the ball, it's on a slope right here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so the ball goes down the slope and then into this gate door, and then it flings back to you.
What? That's so cool.
Yeah, I actually took some pictures for you. You like it?
Oh, I see.
Cool, huh?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, really
Well,
neat.
Shall we play some bowling?
Yeah, let's keep playing.
All right. Whoa. All
right.
Good luck.
Okay, you too. Whoa!
Ah, almost a strike. Whoa, nice.
Thanks, Blippi.
Yeah, you almost got it.
Yeah, so close.
Cool. Oh, looks like my ball's back.
There's yours.
Whoa, all right, here I go.
Go, Blippi.
Whoa, so close again.
All right, here we go. Oh, I have 3 pins left.
Whoa, wait, Meekah, look. I have 3 pins left too.
No way.
Yeah, we got the same pins knocked down.
Yeah, we knocked down 7 pins.
Yeah. All right, let's throw them at the same time to see if we both get spares.
Good idea. Okay.
All right, are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I got 0.
And I got 2.
Yeah, good job.
Good job.
Wow. That's what I call a spare.
Oh, I also call that a spare.
All right, here we go. Oh, so close. Whoa! Cool. Wasn't that so much fun bowling?
Yeah, that was really fun. You're good at bowling.
Oh, you're good at bowling too.
Oh, thanks.
Whoa. And it's really interesting how different bowling balls are different weights.
Yeah, and they have the number right on the ball so you know how heavy it is.
Yeah, exactly. And it's so cool how there's 10 pins. And if you get all 10 of them down on your first throw, it's a
Strike!
And if you get them all down on your second throw, it's a
Spare!
yeah. Well, I sure do love bowling.
Yeah, especially with you, Blippi.
Aw, you too, Meekah.
Aw.
Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with us? Yeah. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, good job.
Will you spell my name with us? Cool. Okay.
M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
See you later.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah, so much to learn